Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Thelma and this is the Hungry Dolphin Kitchen. I don't know if anybody's like me. I get so excited when it's time for Christmas, and this is our lovely Christmas tree. Christmas is my second favorite time of the year because I like to get gifts from everybody. So in my family we try to make it a tradition of if you want to receive, you have to give. And another thing I like to do during Christmas is to host guests, but I don't like the fact that I'm left with like a ton of mess and I have to clean up the entire house when they're gone. So I like really easy things to do and things to just make my life easier. So today I'll be showing you 2 easy ways to like host your guests if you're expecting guests during Christmas. So the first one is going to be a charcuterie board. The second one is going to be a rice dish that will be easy for you yourself to make and for your guests to help themselves to a serving or 2. So here we have some pre-washed rice, and then we have some prawns just seasoned in salt and black pepper, and then we've got coconut milk, salt, ginger and garlic, vegetable oil, some canned tomatoes, onions, parsley, and then some chicken that are marinating in ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil. So my plan is to make this in one pot, and the kind of pan I'm using is a Dutch oven. So the thing about Dutch oven is it doesn't like too much flame, so you kind of have to like make sure it's not cooking at excessively high heat. That's why I've reduced it to about medium high. So I'll just put a little bit of oil in my pan. So I'll just fry this till the onions are a bit translucent, and after that I'll put in some of my prawn, just a reed.
Pushing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
So I'll just take it off the heat now because I plan on like adding it to the rice, and then they will cook through much later. In the same pan, I'll just put a little bit of oil, put in my ginger and garlic, and then my onions, and let that fry up for about 30 seconds. I'll then tip in some of my canned tomatoes just to let that fry for a bit. A little bit of curry, a little bit of thyme, and then you just stir that together. So I've been letting this fry for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to tip in my chicken now. Give that a little stir. I'll pour in some coconut milk into the mixture, and I'll put my rice in. Give that a good mix. We'll add some water to loosen it up. Add a little bit of water or chicken stock if you have. Give that a mix again, and then we'll just let that cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. We'll just give that a little stir. And then check to see if it's soft, so we can know how long to leave it on for. So I was cooking this alongside the other rice. Same method, the only difference is that we don't have any tomatoes in this one. So now I'll open it up and then just add a little bit of tomatoes in there and garnish with some parsley. And that is ready to go. So it's time to check on our rice. Yeah, looks good to me. So I'll just finish that off with some tomatoes, just for some extra juiciness. And finally, I will top it up with lots and lots of parsley. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell up there so that you are notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much.